Welcome to this week's video where I'm going to show you how you can save your ass with LastPass. Did that ever happen to you that you might have forgotten your master password and then you were locked out of your LastPass and you were freaking losing your mind because you have all the passwords that you ever used saved in there? I can save your sorry ass. Because there are ways how you can basically save yourself from stupidity. So let's just log into our LastPass accounts with the master password of your choice. So once you're logged in to your vault, you can see that here is our account settings on the left hand side. So once you click on that one, it will open that separate video and you can scroll a bit further down. Not only will you see, can you change your master password here or revert the master password change. Please be aware that whenever you change the master password, LastPass will re-encrypt everything that you have in the vault. So that's why sometimes you might have to wait for a while until that re-encryption happened, because otherwise it will not properly work. So that's why maybe you were just too quick with doing something and that's where you all messed it up in the end. So you can also, first of all, create yourself a reminder if you didn't know what your master password is or if you've forgotten it. It might be a great idea to use a proper reminder that can give you an actual hint. Also, if you can scroll further down here even more and you can see here it says SMS account recovery, and you can just add your phone number here and then you will be able to recover your account with your mobile phone. Let's just click on show advanced settings. You can see that there are some alerts that you can set up, but in general you will already, or you can add a security email. You can also see that you can here activate if you want it possible to revert a master password. So if you've changed something and you feel like you've done something wrong, then you can go back and switch to the previous one. There is an email notification that you can that is possible that would work. But yeah, go in, save your sorry ass, add your mobile phone number to it. So in case something ever does happen, you're not screwed. I hope you have a great rest of your day and see you next time. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.